Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Mao. This is Shakina, and firstly, I would like to thank all of you who are supporting me in this initiative. Thank you guys, thank you so much. It really means a lot to me. So, today let's discuss about what a repository is. Before we go into that, let's review a little bit about what we learned in the previous tutorials. We discussed in the previous tutorials about Selenium. So we've learned that Selenium is an automation tool, an open source tool, which is used to automate test scripts so that they can be executed across different platforms, and these support various programming languages, and it can be used to automate web applications. So, Selenium, being widely used as an open source tool, we can automate these test scripts and develop the code and push it into repository. So, what is a repository? A repository is a location to store data, and it is a common point of file storage which is related to a specific project. When coding is completed, it is stored in a central file location which can be used by version control systems to store multiple versions of files. So when a developer develops the code, or as a tester we write the test scripts in the code, we can store all this code and push it to a file which is the repository. The repository has a manager, and it supports all available software packages, and it enables automated integration and delivery, and this repository manager is the Artifactory. So this is a basic idea about what repository is. So coming to the point of how we can integrate Selenium with repositories, we can discuss a little bit about that now. So integration of Selenium can be done with various repositories to share the code. For example, few of the repositories that have been used to integrate Selenium are Jenkins, Maven, TestNG, and Git repository. So let's discuss about these. Coming to Jenkins is a free and open source automation server. It helps automating the parts of software development related to building, testing, and deploying. So we can integrate Jenkins with Selenium to build and test the code whenever a change is committed. How to commit and push the code, I will make another tutorial for that, but for now let's get the basic idea that once the code is ready to test, Jenkins with Selenium can be integrated so that test automation can be executed. Coming to Maven is a build tool. So Maven will create the build for the codes. We can integrate Maven with Selenium to manage different projects and to ensure that the process is easy, and the automated build is tested by Selenium. And then TestNG. TestNG is a testing framework, and it can be integrated with Selenium to manage test cases, which produces HTML reports. TestNG will create HTML reports after testing is done by Selenium. So apart from these three, we have another repository which can be integrated with Selenium and which is widely used, that is GIT Repository. GIT Repository is integrated with Selenium to commit code to execute automated test scripts. Once code is integrated in repository, Selenium can extract during its test execution and give the results. So let's discuss a little bit in detail about Git. What is Git? Git is Global Information Tracker. So Git is a software tracking tool which is used to see all the changes that are made to a set of files. Once the developer develops the code, it is pushed into the Git repository, and then it is used to collaborate the work among developers during software development. In other words, we can say that it is a DevOps tool used for source code management, which can be used for handling small to large projects efficiently. Difference between Git and GitHub. Git is a version control system, and GitHub is a cloud-based which hosts service that manages Git repositories. So Git can be integrated with Selenium, and we can do the test automation. We can execute the test automation using Git. So this is a basic tutorial about repository, and hope it was informative. We'll dig into more in detail in the upcoming videos. As I always say, this is just to give an introduction to Selenium, and hopefully in the upcoming tutorials we will get to make some projects where we can actually get some live examples and learn from them. So I would like you to please like, share and subscribe to my channel so that you will not miss on the new tutorials that I will be launching soon. Hopefully you will support me in this journey, and let's all meet in the next tutorial. Till then, let's all thrive to learn. Bye for now.